Hey, it's Big Jeff. We're about to announce the 3K winner, but you have to watch to the end because even if you didn't win, this is the video to start the 4K YouTube giveaway, and we're going to announce what we're giving away. So you better watch to the end. It's only a few minutes. You're going to have to take this video, share it, comment it, like it, and if you didn't subscribe already, subscribe now. The bigger we get in subscribe, shares, and all that rest of that jazz, the bigger the gift's gonna get. So stay tuned to find out what 4K is gonna be. And right now we're about to announce the winner of the 3K. The winner of the 3K giveaway goes by the name Slappy McNasty. Let's throw that up in the background. I am gonna read that off. It says, "Hey Big Jeff, I have just recently really got into car audio game, and I have heard about you and good things. I'm glad that we have people like you to give back to the people that are creating future bass heads to keep the legacy going. I'm based out of Sanford, Arizona. My name is," and I don't want to mess this up, it is Aiden P. That's A-D-Y-N. Why I should win this package is I like to get back to my mom, put it in her car, get her system going. She has been wanting one, and this would be a perfect fit for her. So, Mr. Slappy McNasty, you are the 3K winner. So what you'll need to do is contact the office, 737 Big Jeff, or you can chat in Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let them know who you are. You'll have to show some proof of ID, and then we will ship it out to you. Congratulations. Okay, let's just get right into it. We are going to be doing the next giveaway, so if you're still watching this video, I hope you are, because now the next giveaway will be Rockforf P1-2x12 dual in a box. Oh my God, expensive box given away. Big shout out to Rockforf. So how does this work? You have to subscribe to the video, share the video. You need to comment your location and why you think you should win. And most of all, like the video and then click that little bell for me so you can get these announcements. So 4K giveaway, and we hit 5, 6, 7, well, we passed 10, so we're going to be doing them each week. We'll start now, and we'll pick a winner next week, Saturday. It is a pair of P3 Rockforf 12s in a Rockforf box, brand new. Man, I'm excited. I can't even wait to get to the next one. So, share it out, comment. Let's do this. Man, let's blow the first one out of the water. And I want to give the next winner, whoever it is, man, I appreciate y'all. It's Big Jeff coming to you with another giveaway. Hey, if you're watching this 4K video, right, and I'm just throwing this in at the end, I thought about it. This is YouTube exclusive. So if you're watching this through our Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, you'll need to grab the link we'll put in the description because that's what you need to share, not this actual video. If you're on our YouTube page, you can share that YouTube. So what I mean by this, for you to be entered in the 4K, you will need to share the YouTube video. They will need to comment on that. So if you're watching this again on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, please grab the link from the YouTube and share that, or just go to our YouTube page, Big Jeff Audio. You'll see the video and you can hit the share button there. So you'll need to subscribe, comment, and share, and also click the bell on YouTube. Just remember that, because I don't want you to feel like you got cheated because you weren't picked if you didn't follow the rules. I'm Big Jeff, signing off again, just to make sure we're on the same page, because we got plenty of these coming up, and I want everybody to have the best chance to win. See you soon.